Well, hey there, folks. Bill O'Leary coming to you in this video to answer the question, what is the Medicaid income cap? So in this video, you're going to learn three things. One, how Medicaid looks at income in order to qualify. Number two, what the income limit or cap is. And three, how you might be able to get around the problem of having too much income. Again, my name is Bill O'Leary. I'm an estate planning and elder law and probate and trust administration lawyer. And my firm is Legacy Planning Law Group in Jacksonville, Florida. So Medicaid. Medicaid's a government program that pays for long-term care, usually nursing home care. Now, the thing is, not everybody can get on Medicaid. You actually have to qualify. What Medicaid looks at are two things. Number one, they look at your health situation. So you've got to pass what's called a medical necessity test. And two, they look at your financial situation, both your income and assets. Can't have too much of either. I've heard it said that you've got to be sick and broke to get on Medicaid. So let's zero in on the income, which is the subject of this video. There's an income test that you have to meet, and you can't have too much income. This is called the Medicaid income cap. And that cap varies from state to state. So here in Florida, in the year 2022, that income limit is $2,523. It's going to go up next year, 2023, to $2,742. It keeps going up every year. Oh, by the way, all income is counted regardless of where it comes from. So income from things like salaries and pensions, Social Security payments, maybe mandatory IRA withdrawals, disability payments, they're all sort of put together and counted as part of income. And oh, by the way, Florida Medicaid looks at gross income. So things like insurance premiums, tax deductions, or here's a big one, the Medicare Part B premium that is taken out of your Social Security check, those amounts have to be added back in to arrive at a gross number. And oh, by the way, Medicaid does a thorough search. Don't try to hide it. A failure to report all income could result in disqualification and possibly penalties. Now, what if a person who needs long-term care has income that exceeds the cap, the limit? Does that mean they don't qualify? Well, at first blush, yes. However, all is not lost. Medicaid gives us a really easy fix to the problem of having too much income. And that's by setting up a special kind of trust called a qualified income trust, or QIT for short. Some people also refer to it as a Miller trust. And so Medicaid says, hey, if you set up this special kind of trust, you will qualify. And it's basically a way to assure the long-term care facility that they will get paid from the facility resident. And what I mean by that is, bear in mind that a resident of a facility who's on Medicaid has to pay a certain portion of the facility cost. This is called the patient responsibility. Think of it like a copay when you go to the doctor. The amount of the patient responsibility is based on the resident's income. So all of the resident's income has to go to the facility. Resident can't keep it, family can't keep it. It has to go to the facility. There's a small monthly holdback of $130 per month called a personal needs allowance. Not much, basically designed to pay for incidentals, getting haircuts, that sort of thing. But everything else, all other income must go to the facility, and then Medicaid comes in and pays the rest of the cost to the facility. So again, the qualified income trust is Medicaid's way of making sure a resident who makes too much income will actually pay their share. Now, here's how a qualified income trust works. All income from all sources is directed to a bank account held by the trust and is directed into that account throughout the course of the month. Then, by the last day of the month, all funds in the account are transferred back out to the facility, so the account gets down to zero. Then things are repeated the next month, and so on. By the way, an elder law attorney is required to set up that qualified income trust. An attorney has to do it. Now, what happens if the resident is married? Does Medicaid count the income of the spouse who does not need the care, what we call the community spouse, I should say? And the good answer is no. That's the good news. Does not count the income of the community spouse. He or she can earn unlimited income, and Florida Medicaid doesn't care. And what if the community spouse does not have too much income? So there's not a problem of having a lot, but not having enough. Think a situation where the husband needs the care, and let's say wife was, a stay-at-home mom raising the kids and has very little Social Security income because she doesn't have much of an earnings history throughout the course of her life. Can we take some of the husband's income and shift it over to the wife instead of having to pay that husband's income to the facility? And the answer is yes. We don't want to impoverish the community spouse. So there are mechanisms under the Medicaid law to do this. And this is something an experienced elder law attorney can help you with as part of good Medicaid planning. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about what the Medicaid income cap is and maybe how we can help, we'd love to talk to you. So I invite you to go ahead and schedule a free 15-minute discovery phone call with us. It's a chance to basically start a conversation. And so it's really easy to schedule. Just go to the link at the bottom of this video and click on that. It's our scheduling link. It'll take you straight to our booking calendar. Just pick a day and time that works for you. And also, if you'd like more information about some other topics that relate to sort of estates and elder law and probate, invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Legacy Planning Law Group. And oh, by the way, if you've enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would like it, better yet, share with your friends. So Bill O'Leary signing off for now. And until we talk again, go make it a great day and a better world.